You can build a system one time using AI and then take that exact same system and sell it to local businesses all around your country. And you can sell it to them for $297 to even $500 per month. And the best part for you is these local businesses don't care about some crazy AI system. More importantly, they just want results. They just want more phone calls, more booked appointments. They want an automated system to reach out to everyone that has ever showed interest in these businesses. Now, here's some quick proof of my personal agency. You can see we have a monthly reoccurring revenue of $21,000 per month, meaning this is how much we are making every single month. And the total I've made with this specific business model that I'm going to show you today is over $1.6 million. Now, more importantly, is the results that we are helping people with. As you can see, this is Pedro, and he used this exact same business model that I'm going to show you in just a bit to get his first client that paid up front, and he already has 2 waiting to get started in just 30 days. Now, the most important thing for you is I'm going to show you exactly how to put it all together and how to package it in a way that local businesses actually pay you for this. And the best part about it is even if you're a complete beginner, you have no experience with tech or AI, I'm going to show you a method that allows you to do this in literally just a few days. And even better for you, I don't have a $997 course at the end of this video. As a matter of fact, I do have a course that I'm going to give you absolutely free. On top of that, I'm going to give you all the resources that way you can be successful with this business model, including my community of over 3,000 members, my complete step-by-step course, and on top of that, we're giving you free coaching calls every single week. Now, if you do want access to all those resources mentioned, do me a favor, like this video and share it with someone that is looking to make money with AI. And more importantly, comment the word AI unfair advantage down below and I'll personally send you all these resources. But let's dive into my computer and let me show you how this works. All right, so check this out. I used AI to build this website for one of my clients. Now, before you say, I don't want to build websites for people, people are not going to pay for this. Well, that's kind of true. What we're really doing is we're building the website for free, whether they have a website already or we're just rebuilding it to look a lot better. The website is actually something we give out for free. That way we can sell them our other services. Now, here's the cool thing. This is the prompt that built this entire website right here. Okay. So super simple. I went out to this handyman and I was like, hey, let me build you a website absolutely free. I went ahead and built it for him. He was absolutely impressed with the website. It looked super clean and he loved it. But then I was able to sell him the other services. Now, the tool I used to create that website is this tool right here called GoHighLevel. Now, I do have a link down below to GoHighLevel if you're interested in using this for free. And more importantly for you, I structured a deal with GoHighLevel to give you an extended 30-day trial. So if you go to the second link in the description below or go to GoHighLevel.com/Montoya, you will get access to a free 30-day extended trial. Now, the way I created that website was this new option called AI Studio, where I told it to rebuild the entire website from scratch. Now, whether you're rebuilding their existing website or you're just building it from scratch, AI Studio will build it or rebuild it based on the existing data. So this is the prompt right here if you simply want to rebuild the website. Now, the cool thing is it will go to this URL and it will pull in all the existing data, but more importantly, it will rebuild it to look way better. That way you can lead with a free website to these local businesses. All right, so once you lead with the website, now you can sell them these other services. Now I want to go over some of these insane features that GoHighLevel has. That way you can resell as your own. Now, before I show you that, here's a really cool thing about GoHighLevel. They actually allow you to resell the software as your own, meaning you can have your own logo here at the top. It won't say GoHighLevel, it'll be your own logo, and you can have as many local businesses under your main account and it won't cost you extra. Now, the reason why this is so powerful is because you only pay GoHighLevel that one monthly payment. And whether you have 2 clients under you or 1,000 clients paying you, you are still paying the same amount to GoHighLevel, but you can charge unlimited local businesses under your account, which allows them to use the software, but they're paying you and not GoHighLevel. And that's what I showed you in the beginning of this video. I have my white label agency called Funnel Freedom with thousands of members under my account, but I only pay GoHighLevel that one payment. All right, going back to what we're actually selling these local businesses. Now, there's a ton of things that we can do, but I'll show you some of the main things that we have been selling. Now, again, we're leading with the website, which is free. We want to offer that for free. You saw how simple that was. Now, here's the services that we can now offer them. So in your account, you can see under AI agents, we can sell them things like voice AI, conversation AI, which is basically like an AI receptionist, and it makes their website a talking website. So I want to show you an example of the conversation AI, which is essentially a chatbot that goes on the website and it talks to the client. It answers questions and it even sells them to buy their products and services. And of course, it also books appointments. Let me show you that quick example. All right, I'm going to click on the widget here, and as you can see, there is an AI voice agent that can help me. Now check this out.
Hey, you have reached Luis's Plumbing Company. How can I help you today?
Hi, I had a pipe burst inside of one of my bathrooms.
I'll help get this sorted for you. Can I get your name and the best phone number to reach you so our team can follow up as quickly as possible?
Yeah, my name is Jonathan and my number is 505-222-2222.
Thanks, Jonathan. What's the best email address for you, just in case our team needs to send any updates?
Okay, I'll send the email, but real quick, how much would that be?
Totally understand wanting to know the cost. Pricing can vary depending on the extent of the damage and the specific repairs needed.
Okay, but can you give me at least an estimate for the usual job?
For a typical pipe burst repair, the cost can range anywhere from a few $100s up to over $1,000. Most standard repairs usually fall somewhere between $500 and $1,500, but it really depends on the specifics. Is there anything else you'd like the team to know before they reach out?
I would like someone to come out as soon as humanly possible.
Thanks for confirming, Jonathan. I've noted that you need urgent help with a burst pipe in your bathroom and want someone out as soon as possible.
All right, so that was insane. So now if you think about it, we're giving these local businesses this free website, but then we're saying, hey, I could add this AI voice agent for a monthly fee. And this is how you can start having these local businesses pay you every single month. And this is my favorite part about the AI agents. You can do so much more. You can add AI agents on Facebook chat or text message or even emails. You can use this agent not only on the website, but throughout every single part of the process. As you can see, you never miss a call. These voice agents can answer the calls for you. They can turn leads into revenue on autopilot. They will book appointments for you, whether it's on a website or on a text message or a phone call or even Instagram or Facebook. Now, here's one of the most important parts for local businesses, and that's getting 5-star reviews. It's actually extremely important. The more reviews you get, the more you get ranked on Google. So the cool thing is, using this process, we can automate the review process, right? So every time someone comes in, we can ask the customers to add a 5-star review. And more importantly, we have the AI agent that is trained on this business to reply. That way it shows that the business is active. All right, so I want to show you one other service that you can charge for. Again, there's so many that you can do, and I'll explain how to get access to everything at the end of this video. But the one that I like a lot is scheduling out social media posts. So there's a social planner that allows you to connect all the social media accounts for that business, whether it's a Facebook page, Instagram page, TikTok, communities. You can add every single type of account and then plan out the content for the entire month. All right, so let me talk talk about the numbers and how you could potentially get this free before you're ever charged a penny. So let's just say you're charging on the low end $300 a month for this service, which I promise you local businesses will happily pay that. One of my students just signed a local business for $4,000 a month. So as you get better, you can charge more and more. But let's just say you're charging on the extremely low end of $300 per month, and we get 10 clients. That's $3,000 per month. Now, how much is that gonna actually cost you? Now, remember, if you go to GoHighLevel.com/Montoya, you can get access to a 30-day free trial. Now, remember I mentioned that you only pay once and you can have as many people under you as you want. So here's the cool thing right here. It'll cost $297 a month, but you only need one client at $300 to pay that entire thing. And remember, I said you can have unlimited accounts under you for this plan right here, right? It says unlimited sub accounts, as many client accounts as you need for one price. So all you need is one client to pay for your entire software. All right, now more importantly, I wanna go over the resources that I built for you. That way you can see success with this business model. So as you can see, I put together a group with over 3,000 members. And within this group, which is absolutely free for you, as long as you get a free GoHighLevel trial, you get the entire community free. You get my entire step-by-step course for free, which explains everything step-by-step, all my scripts, all my resources in extreme depth. And we even have weekly coaching calls to guide you through the entire process. And on top of that, I actually built a step-by-step AI agency guide, which walks you through the process even more. And it walks you through how to get your first client as fast as humanly possible. Now, all of these resources are 100% free for you. All I ask is that you use the link provided to get a free GoHighLevel trial. Now, if you do want access to all these resources, click on the first link down below in the description, and that link will take you to a page where you enter your information, no credit card needed, and then you'll receive an email and a text that'll invite you to that community with all the resources mentioned. Now, if you have any questions at all about how this works, please let me know down in the comments or ask a question in the community. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video, and God bless.